Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on Australian USD and New Zealand USD trade. So first of all, is in a very strong downtrend. So I was looking for a short opportunity. Then when the 8:30, 9:30, 10:30 until 11:30 of market open is it been go up. First of all, what I like is it hit the extreme. So there's two way uh to trade. First is that when it's V formation, let's say this guy is the guy who started it. So over here, typically when it V formation, like let's say here V formation, then he slow down, then the up is slower than here, then you sell. That's one way. The second way is first market opening, let it go with the let it do its thing first. So the market opening, it went up to this level, and a huge spike. The main thing is what you need to wait, right, is a huge spike, like something that is something that make people panic, make all the sellers quit. Then there's an influx of buyer already. Then when it slows down, right, you can have a try. You then can have a try. So it's like V formation, lopsided V formation, crash down to. Okay, so as you can see, my stop loss is like, actually I only put like 2R here, and this trade actually became like a 10R kind of trade. So usually you should find like sister pair, maybe Australian and New Zealand together. Then we can see the both which one slows down first. Like in this case, I got stop out for New Zealand before the trade going into my direction. This is a 10R trade. It's a home run and a home run. This one also. If I just wait like 15 more minutes or 20 more minutes, then it's like easily 5R trade. But I still miss this opportunity. But it's okay, cause most of the time, it's not always this kind of high volume crash. So I understand. So it's like a V formation. This is like a lopsided V formation. Slows down, sell, put high, let it run at least 2 to 3 because of a huge strong level here. But today is a very rare case where it just crashed all the way down. That's one of the few things we need to understand. That's usually the better way to trade. Like maybe take 2 to 3R, we just run 2 to 3R, 1, 2 to 3R, 1. Then we just repeat daily. This is like the bread and butter. So let market open first. Let take it up to the extreme, like against the trend. But against the trend, then we need a huge spike. So a few criteria. Against the trend, huge spike, range. So what I did well is I did not increase position size. That's one thing. Two. So now I'm actually quite skeptical of going against the trainer. I think it's better to let go all these like V formation. First of all, this is V formation, and this like huge crash. So in other words, you should let go of the, try to going long. Just play with the trend, play with the trend. Okay. So take note when market open and it hit the extreme. When it hit the extreme, right, then you can try to find a range, then maybe take a 2 to 3 R trade. Yeah, okay. That's how it works. So overall, good job. This is one of the first winning trade that I did. Things to improve on focus. First of all, Australian USD. I think entry lah. The entry, the range, I need to focus. First, the reason why this one is good is it got this presence of sellers. For New Zealand, this one technically not considered sellers, but when it pushes up and rejected, I can actually sell here. And number two is I need to break this bad habit of going to the 1 minute time frame. Whoa, 6R, insane. Okay. So entry wise, I will do better. Position size good. Timing wise, there's two way V formation. Let's go. Extreme range sell. Go. Nice.